We didn't train a character LoRA on anyone. No fine-tuning, no dataset, no weeks of prep. Just a character sheet with face and body references, a real scene photo, and Krea 2 Identity Edit LoRA to place that same person into the shot. Here are a few examples, then I'll walk you through the full workflow. Look at the quality, crisp, clean, and detailed. The face stays sharp, the scene holds up, and the whole image looks polished enough to use as a finished post. This one used a character sheet with a dark background, and it still performed really well. The output is crisp, the details stay clean, and the lighting looks strong and natural, not flat or washed out. Next, I tested a brighter scene. Same strong result, clean, sharp detail, and because the prompt described her pose clearly, it matched that pose almost exactly. Before we move on to the workflow, a quick disclaimer. This system can also generate NSFW content. I'm keeping those parts blurred because of YouTube's policies. Please use it responsibly. This is for experimentation and creative testing only. This is the interface of the AI Influencer app. First, there is the character sheet section. Here you upload the character sheet for the character you want to use. I will also share the prompt to generate that character sheet. Next up is background. This is where you add the location, upload any scene photo you like, and the model will place your character into that space. The next box shows the generated image of your influencer. Then we have the action box. Here you describe the scene based on the character sheet and the background. You can also describe how the character is laughing, crying, or performing other actions. In advanced settings, you will find creativity and steps. The more you increase creativity, the more creative the model will be. In steps, you set how many steps the model uses to generate the image. Next is NSFW mode. You can use this to see the full creativity and power of the model. It will be disabled at first, so if you enable it, use it responsibly. That covers the main features of this app. Now I'll give you a quick demo. I've already uploaded my character sheet in the character sheet box, and I've added my background. I'll generate it right away and share the result with you. I won't show the generation process because that would take too long and I don't want to waste your time. So I'll take you straight to the result. Here's the result. I prompted her sitting on the bed, laughing, and it nailed it. Looks amazing. No character training. Just a character sheet plus identity edit LoRA, and she still drops into the scene cleanly. Crisp skin, great lighting, strong overall quality. That's how you can build your own AI influencer with this app. If you want this tool, you can get it from my website. The link of the website is in the description. I have already covered the voice cloner tool in my last video, and I have posted the link here. When you click View on GitHub, it will take you to my GitHub page. I have included all the files and instructions there, so even someone without a technical background can set this up easily. You will also find the minimum system requirements. What does this app do? What are the installation steps? What does it use? All of those details are right here. If you run into any issues, feel free to reach out to me in the comments. If you'd like to support my journey and see more free tools like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.